Hello again. In this training segment, I'm going to show you another low-cost alternative way to outfit your DIY spa, hot tub, or small pool with an easy-to-install, totally effective, low-cost lighting option. With this choice, you'll be able to use either a standard white light or color-changing LED light unit. At custom-built spas, we've seen the costs of LED lights continue to rise to a point we feel is absolutely ridiculous and has forced some of our customers consider maybe not to use any lighting at all. But with a little thinking outside of the box, we've worked out an extremely affordable solution for you, for both a standard white light and color-changing LED light. One of our early, very inexpensive lighting solutions was to simply place a glass block in the spa wall wherever you wanted a light. Then, all you had to do was just hang a clamp light behind the block. And voila, you got a spa light. Want a different light color, then just change to a different color light bulb. Seems primitive, right? But at the time, this whole light setup could be put together for less than $30 a light. The drawbacks to this setup were, you had to leave some means of access to the light if you needed to change the light bulb, and it was not color changing. You could, however, add in a dimmer switch on the light power supply source. Some of our customers wanted other lighting options, so we worked out a way to use over-the-counter small pool lights. These lights required a special niche to be installed into the spa wall. The light itself would mount it inside the niche. Within a few months we found that some customers were having trouble getting the light niche sealed correctly, so no leaks would occur. These small pool lights were much more costly than our clamp light setup. The small pool light could accept a color-changing bulb, but again, the color-changing bulbs were very expensive. The next step we took was to move to LED color-changing lights. Manufacturers were now making them so they could be easy to install and easy to service if needed. However, the cost of these LED color-changing light units was starting to get really expensive. The reason we were told was because of the high cost of special chips that went into manufacturing the LED color-changing lights. The first step to our new light option was to take a basic over-the-counter spa light kit, made for portable spas. Then, with a couple of simple modifications, we could now install the light in our DIY spas and hot tubs that had 8 inches thick block walls. The light kit comes with a clear lens that's threaded, so it can be fastened to the thin wall of a portable spa. The lens doesn't quite fit inside 2.5-inch PVC pipe, so by just sanding the lens threads down a little, the lens would now fit inside the PVC pipe. Using a length of at least 8 inches or more PVC pipe as the light housing, a light could now be installed anywhere in a spa wall you wanted to have a light, or multiple lights if you wanted more than one. The 2.5-inch PVC pipe is exactly the same PVC pipe that we use for installing our Gunite spa jets. Jet housing installation is covered in the books and videos package. During the finish processes, the light lens would get permanently sealed in place with a waterproof sealer. Access and service for this light setup needs to be planned out ahead of time when you're building your spa or hot tub. The basic spa or hot tub light kit for a white light comes with a clear lens, a threaded locking nut, which we don't use, and a cone-shaped light reflector. The light reflector would screw onto the back of the lens. We modify this reflector. The kit also comes with its own wire harness. In the picture above, you can see that we clipped off the outer ring of the light reflector cone. This allows the remaining reflector cone to fit inside 2.5-inch PVC pipe. We simply slide the reflector in from the back of the pipe. The cone and light can now be pushed right up to the clear lens. You now have a simple white or color change LED light installed in your spa or hot tub. The two pictures on the left are the finished light. The display colors are white, red, light blue, magenta, dark blue, green and aqua. Colors are changed by simply turning the light button on and off. There is also a multi-color light changing show you can set. Whatever color was being displayed when the light is shut off, will be the first color displayed when the light is turned back on.
Custom Built. Spas constantly strives to make building your own spa, hot tub, swim spa, or small pool as affordable as possible. The information package you can get at the Custom Built Spas website is loaded with hundreds of money-saving tips and ideas. Why not take a few minutes and visit their site right now and see what they have to offer you? Thanks so much for your visit!